In this video, I'll show you how to update your Wise address. Step 1. Go to Wise settings. Log into your Wise account. On the web, click your name profile on the top right. In the app, tap your profile icon. I will also leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Access personal details. Choose personal details and look for your address information. Step 3. Edit and enter a new address. Click Edit Details and enter your updated physical address and then click on Save. Step 4. Upload proof of address. Upload a high quality photo or scan of your proof document. Acceptable documents include utility bills, bank credit card statements, rental contracts, council tax or government issued letters issued in the last 3 months. Check that your full name and address match your Wise account and document. Step 5. Submit and wait for review. Submit your new address and document. Wise will review and update your account. The address banner disappears once approved. Tips for Wise address verification. Your proof can't be a PO box or business/virtual address. The document must be recent, issued within the last 3 months, and clearly show your name and address. Rejected proofs can be resubmitted following provided feedback. And that's how you update your address in Wise with the proof of document too. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.